Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, I want to show you how to use the latest VPN that you can use to completely browse for free. And trust me, this VPN works 100% free. So, and for some of you that are coming here for the first time, do it to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when next I drop any video, you'll be the first to see it. And then don't forget to drop your comments and your like. So the first thing you need to do is just to go to Play Store and download the app, install it from Play Store. Name of the VPN is 24 Clan VPN. So you search for it, 24 Clan VPN, and then okay, that's it there. Then you install it. I already have it on my phone, so I'm just going to just open it. That's the VPN there. Decide to display 24 Clan VPN. It's like this. And this VPN works for all the networks. And the only thing you just need is just to install the VPN from Play Store. Then that's just it. Now this VPN works 100% and it's authentic. I think it's the latest VPN now. So I'm going to on my data now to try to check and open my Chrome or any web browser on my phone. Because right now I don't have any data on my phone. So you see if it's going to open. It's loading. You see? I'm trying to refresh. It's not working. It's loading but it's not working. You see? Try to reload. You understand? I'm trying to reload. Still not working. So now let's try and use the VPN now to confirm. So this is the VPN. This is the app. So you open it. If you want to join them on Telegram, you understand, to join their Telegram channel so that once they drop any file for it or any latest updates, you'll be able to see it. You can click yes, please. But for now, just click on later. So like this is how it will display. For now, it's not connected. So then just leave your this thing on best performer. You can choose your server ABC or server D depending on the country, you understand. But for best working, like for it to work best for you, you just leave it as what best performance like this. Then you come here where you see your select network, that's your server up there. This one is your network. So just come down here. You have so many networks, but for the sake of trying to explain it for you, let me just look for one and choose. You can choose any of this one, and I use MTN. Okay, let me see. Let me try and use MTN 50 MB. Let's just use this one to like explain it for you guys. Let's try to connect. We press OK. You see that's connected now. Let me try to use my Chrome now. Try to use my Chrome. You see it's working. It's working fine. Do you understand? It's working fine. So the VPN works, perfectly. Do you understand? You don't even need any data on your phone. So depending on the network you are using, you can decide to choose either you want to use MTN, you want to use Glo, you want to use 9mobile or Airtel, any network you want to use at all. You can choose it. It works for all the networks. And you see the way it downloads very, very fast. Do you understand? This is one of the best VPN right now. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, just make sure you like this video. Drop your comments. If you have any recommendation or any question, drop your comments in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you very much. See you guys in my next video.